Get a husky, they said. They're a lot of fun, they said. They're very cute and smart and intelligent, they said. I don't even know what's happening. I was chilling. I don't even know what happened, but he just ran at me and started pulling the thread.
I think that you're about to go on a walk.
Using my scary dog privileges to walk alone. Just kidding, that one's scared of trash cans and that one's too fat to run.
Hi, beautiful. Speak.
No bite.
You're coming in.
No, I am not coming in.
No, wait, hang on, stop, you don't want to do this. Listen, I've been a good boy. I've been a good boy, please. I've been such a good boy. Don't do it. No!
Ow!
Oh,